Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a quick update on the threat for some strong thunderstorms across the Arklatex on this Monday night. As I record this shortly before 11 p.m., you can see the thunderstorms which are now to our west. They will be moving into the Tyler area here during the past hour or next hour. You can see the strongest of the thunderstorms clearly further to the south here, down towards College Station. This activity probably will stay to the south of the Arklatex, and it is becoming more apparent that most of this line here, you can see the weakening trend which has taken place during the past hour or so as the line moved down of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We will likely see that weakening trend slowly continue during the rest of the nighttime hours as this moves towards the east along I-20. It's not really too much of a severe weather threat, in my opinion, across the northern sections of the Arklatex. South of Interstate 20, we're going to have to keep an eye on deep East Texas here. Especially as this activity, although it is weakening, still has the potential of maybe spawning a brief gust of wind of 60 miles per hour. Can't totally rule out an isolated tornado, but that risk is looking somewhat low at this point. Storm Prediction Center indicates they are monitoring East Texas and parts of western Louisiana for another severe thunderstorm watch, but chances are one will not be issued. We'll be watching that very, very closely. As far as the timing, let's give you a look at the high-resolution rapid refresh model, as this is the very latest model information. And again, take you forward 3 hours to 1 a.m. Probably we'll see the rain pick up in the Texarkana area between midnight and 1 a.m. The line itself will likely arrive in Shreveport sometime pretty close to 2 o'clock. And you can see by 3 a.m. The line will be east of Shreveport over towards Minden and approaching the Natchitoches area. By the time we get to 6 o'clock, obviously, we will be done. And the trend with this line is that it will be weakening as it moves across the Arklatex. Again, the biggest risk for severe weather will be over the southwestern edge of the area. As far as rainfall potential, still appears as if that the heaviest totals, including the rain that's already fallen, will be across the northern sections of the area. If you add these numbers to the half an inch plus that has fallen already in these areas, we very well could end up with more than an inch over the northwestern corner of the Arklatex. And you can see the decrease in the rainfall potential indicated here with Futurecast, half an inch in Longview, but 2/10 almost in Minden. That kind of also indicates the weakening trend that Futurecast is also showing with this line as it moves eastward across the Arklatex during the nighttime hours tonight. So we're not totally out of the woods, but it looks like our severe weather threat is going to slowly weaken here and once we move past midnight and into the latter stages of the nighttime hours tonight. Now tomorrow we're going to be looking at conditions across the Arklatex that will be rather windy. Again, here's the look at the timing with Futurecast. We'll stop things at 1 a.m. You can see the line moving into the western sections of the area. You can see that weakening trend that I talked about, and then we'll see the rain move out. Kind of a cloud-sun mixture tomorrow morning with lots of wind out of the west to northwest at 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusts to 25. We should see lots of sunshine during the afternoon. And then longer range, we will see another disturbance approach. The good news is, here's tonight's disturbance moving out. Here comes the next one moving in. Friday night, chance for some rain. I doubt we'll see much as far as any severe weather threat. Maybe a little bit of thunder, but nothing too much to worry about as far as strong thunderstorms. If anything, that threat will be possible along the coast. We'll see this move through, and that'll set the stage for some nice weather for Halloween. So tonight, your forecast again, the line of thunderstorms will move through. Severe weather possible, but that risk is looking highest over the southwest edge of the area, and that risk will be decreasing during the night tonight further east. It's going to rain pretty much everywhere, as we'll see lows behind that cold front causing the thunderstorms dipping into the 50s. And tomorrow, a cloud-sun mix. Windy and cooler with highs in the 60s across the Arklatex. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will see a couple of chilly mornings Wednesday and Thursday morning as we'll dip into the 40s for nighttime lows. Look for daytime highs to warm into the 70s. There's that good chance of rain Friday and Friday night. That will decrease Saturday. We'll see a nice Halloween and then another chance of rain towards the end of the 10-day period next Thursday. So all in all, we'll keep an eye on things here for the next several hours as the thunderstorms begin to move into the Arklatex. Once we get past 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, we should be pretty much done as conditions will improve with a windy Tuesday on the way for tomorrow with much cooler temperatures.